Alright, maintenance is key when you're restoring a car. Since I did paint the valve cover, I am going to be replacing the gasket around it. You know, it's very simple, very cheap. I got this like what, $10 online. And then I am going to be doing the spark plugs. And I'm changing the brake pads. I don't know why it has a picture of a Mustang. We need a picture of an Eclipse. Come on, man. So yeah, maintenance is key for a good DSM. Because you know, our DSMs love maintenance. Require maintenance. Require money. Alright, I'll start rambling. Let's get to work, baby. So, I am changing the brakes, but I'm also changing the calipers. Actually, I'm upgrading calipers. These are the Gs-T calipers, and these are the GSX. And the difference is this one's one piston, this one's dual pistons, which is way better for braking. So I'm definitely going to be using these bad boys on the Gs-T. WD-40 to clean the rotor. Never a bad idea. Wire brush. You know, even cars have to brush their teeth. Big difference on the brake caliper. This one is way better. I'm going to be targeting the calipers to spec, and the book says 65, so 65 is what I'm going to do. Alright, so I got the other caliper in, and it does, man, it looks really good and red. But I did get it dirty because I am dirty right now. But right now I'm about to put in the new pads, and we're setting the pistons back to normal. I'm just using this clamp to push it back. I mean, these are the brake pads I'm using. I always get the ones from O'Reilly's, but recently, when I get them, they're already open. You see how these are still in plastic? The other ones wouldn't be in plastic, and they were like almost used, which makes me think like I got sold some used ones from O'Reilly's, but it's whatever. These are the old pads. There's like nothing left. All nasty. Yeah, so got these online. It said quick braking, and then I get these safety quiet ones, so I mean, I don't know. But they do look pretty beefy to me, so I am going to be using these. Nothing serious. Big difference. Torque says it's 33 to 43, so we'll do 40. Simple as that. Just do the other side. These are done. Really like the GSX calipers in red, and they look so clean, so much bigger. Already an upgrade. Brakes are done. On to the next one. Now time to change the gasket. Put it on the car, it always falls off because it's not on it right. So when you put a little dots of RTD around it, it'll help stay on. So I use red temp because that's all I have right now. But regular anything is fine. I mean, as long as you only put a little bit. I mean, you're not supposed to put a lot. But yeah, very helpful. To get them to your spec. Come on, man. People usually don't do this, and they have misfires all the time. I mean, some spark plugs come pre-gap already, but not all of them. So it's important that you do it yourself, or double check just in case you have the right spec. So yeah, that's very important. Mine is 0.28, but I'm gapping it to 30 because ponies. Only at Robbins Brothers, Dallas and Arlington today. Restrictions apply. Yes, sir. See, this is why the main reason I'm changing the gasket, because look, we have oil entering to the spark plugs, which causes misfire. See, this one's clean, this one's nasty, and this one's burned over here. This is not good. Definitely have seen better days. This is why you change your gasket while you're doing this. Just in case anyone else wanted to see the difference. On spark plugs, you really don't have to torque them to spec. I mean, it's tight enough. I mean, that's pretty much how these work. But It's up to you if you really want to torque the spec. Mine is 18 to 22, but I'm not gonna torque because it's tight enough. That's what she said. But definitely don't over tighten these spark plugs because they will snap and you will not want to have one of these snap inside your engine. So you do you, but I told you. Well, it came out beautiful. Sometimes the choke can do the job. These come in handy. Make sure you get a magnet puller, whatever you call a magnet stick. Man, that'll save your life every time. If anyone has any clue what this is for, I have no idea. I just don't know it. Coils in there to replace this junk. Whoever owner had this, oh my god, it looks so much better now. Way better. Man, it feels good to have everything done and clean. Just need to do a little touch up, but man, everything looks good. And that's a wrap for today. Peace. Alright, I know y'all noticed that. I did put it in backward. I'm done. I'm so done. Now she's going in right.